Hey guys, it's me Newton, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a single page application inside of AngularJS. So a single page application basically means your page doesn't have to reload. So let's start. So let's go into your search engine and just search Plunker. Should show this website at the top, which it says is plnkr.co. Just click on that and click on launch the editor. So here's Plunker. This is just a place you can code in and show your web applications. So let's start by getting the AngularJS package first. So we do that by just going to this wand here, just clicking it, and that automatically gets the AngularJS package for us. So after that, we have to name this as our Angular app. So we just have to write ng app, and then I'm going to remove this first line and then just put a button there. And we're just going to call this in between the two button parts. We're just going to type page 1, and we're just going to go to live preview, and we should see a button. There you go. Doesn't do anything at the moment because we haven't made it do anything, but we'll add something to it soon. So now we're going to initialize it. So we're just going to put in a variable using ng init. So we're just initializing it. So we'll just type what I just typed here, and let's say page 1 equal to yes. Remember, this has to be single quotes, so we can actually put stuff inside the bracket inside there. So a string inside there, so text. And then we are going to go down a few lines. I'm going to put some curly braces, which is where we can just put our variable, page 1. And we're going to run this. There you go. Our variable page 1 is yes, so this should show the value of page 1, which is yes. So we're going to stop our application. Let's put a line break here. You do that by putting arrow br slash, and there you go. That just makes a line break, and we're going to just copy this line of code here. Actually, don't do that. We're going to add ng click. So this is when we just click on the button. So now we're going to make it so page 1 equals single quotes yes. Shouldn't see really any change of that if we run our program, except the line break we put in. Now if we click stop, let's add that line, just copy and paste that line again, and we're just going to change it so it's page 2, and we're just going to make the initialize no, which will make it, that basically means it won't be showing page 2. Now we're going to change it so all of this applies to page 2. Set this part here, which we're just going to change it a bit. So page 1 equals no, and page 2 equals yes. We're going to apply that now to the first button. So what I'm doing here is I'm just setting the variable page 1 to yes for the first button, and the variable page 2 to no. So we're just going to make it, if it's just going to say if this is equal to yes, it will show this page, and it will be vice versa for both pages. So now if I add page 2 as well in here, should show both the variables. So as you can see, we've got page 1, page 2, yes, no. So yes would be page 1, since we've stated that here. Curly braces just means we can put in our variable that we said before. And we got page 2, which is the same thing, just for the other variable. And if we click page 2, switches them around, which is what we want to happen. So now, after that, we're going to put a div, which is just a divider, and we're going to put ng if inside of the top div part, and then equals to quotes, and we're going to put some brackets, and we're going to make it page 1 equals equals the yes, and page 2 equals equals no. We're just going to say hello, and then we're going to just say welcome to page 1. So that should show when we click on page 1. So it's very important you put 2 equal signs here, because it checks if it's equal to yes, and 2 and signs here is important because it means it's actually means the word and. So if we run our page now, we should see this work. See, it says, let's just remove this because I don't need this anymore. The bottom part, okay, look. So it says, hello, welcome to page 1. And if we click page 2, it doesn't appear. So we can do something very similar to this for page 2, except we just want to change the variables around. So if page 1 equals no, and page 2 equals yes. And then we're going to say, change h1 to howdy, and welcome to page 2 instead. Now if we run our program, should work. See, so it says hello, welcome to page 1. And if we click page 2, it says howdy, welcome to page 2. So there you go. We got our first single page application here. That's all we need. So you could do this as many times as you like, and all you'd have to do is just add in a simple variable, add and whatever, page 3 equals yes or whatever. And that's all. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, subscribe, like for more content like this, and I'll see you guys all later. Have a good day. See you later.